Hello, my little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your online studies. Myself, Monica Hassani, and I am here to teach you math. Today we will start our chapter number 5, that is patterns. Let's start our session with one story of two girls named Binny and Ginny. Refer page number 30 of your textbook. Binny and Ginny were going home. On the way, they saw some people making the pavement. The tiles used were of different colors and designs. This is what they saw. Dear students, have you ever seen this kind of design? Yes, very good. On reaching home, they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. It also had a nice design with different colors. Yes, I know you all have seen this kind of sari or dress. Now I will explain to you that what is pattern. A pattern is a series or sequence of shapes or numbers that repeats. So we can say there are two main types of math patterns. The first one is shape patterns and the second one is number patterns. In this session, we will learn about shape patterns. So, our next topic is shape patterns. It is a design in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals over a surface. Let's understand through an example. Here you can see many kinds of shape patterns. First one में पहले स्क्वायर है, फिर सर्कल है, वापस स्क्वायर है एंड फिर सर्कल है एंड यही पैटर्न कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. Similarly, in the second row, you can see the first shape is red colored triangle, then yellow colored rectangle, and again at the third position you can find red triangle, after that yellow rectangle and so on. इसी तरह थर्ड एग्जाम्पल में भी शेप पैटर्न्स दिख रहा है. Am I clear? Very good. Now refer page number 31 of your textbook. Bholu has eaten a part of the shawl of Binny's mother. Look at the picture and help Binny in matching which piece is of the same pattern. Look at the picture carefully and you tell me which piece is of the same pattern. First one, second one, or the third one, or the last one? Yes, last one, because only this piece has the same pattern of the shawl, 4 squares. Am I correct? Good. Our next topic is leafy pattern. Kindly refer page number 33. Using one leaf, we can make different patterns. See, here you have 4 leafy patterns. Let's have a look. In the first one, you can see एक leaf सीधा है and एक leaf उल्टा है, and this pattern of सीधा and उल्टा is continued. In the second example, the first leaf is in the standing position and the next one is in the sleeping position, in which the tip of a leaf lies in the right hand side. Yes, you can see the tip of a leaf is in the right hand side. Again standing position, then sleeping, and after that again standing. This kind of pattern can be made. Now, third example. In the third one, leaves are arranged in slanting manner. First is slanted in such a way that the tip of the leaf points downward direction of left hand side. Second is slanted in such a manner that the tip of the leaf points upward direction of right hand side. इसी तरह एक लीफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में नीचे की तरफ स्लैंटेड है एंड नेक्स्ट लीफ राइट हैंड साइड में ऊपर की तरफ स्लैंटेड है एंड दिस पैटर्न इज कंटिन्यूड. क्लियर? वेरी गुड. नाउ द लास्ट एग्जाम्पल. You tell me which kind of pattern is shown in the last example. Yes, in the last one, all the leaves are in sleeping mode. The first one is in sleeping mode in the left direction. And the second one is in sleeping mode in the right direction. Or we can say first leaf is in sleeping mode on the left hand side and the second leaf is in sleeping mode on the right hand side. And this pattern is continued. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now clear? Very good. You can also try to make different patterns by using few leaves. Try to do it and draw in your notebook. Now it's your homework time. Kindly refer page number 32 of your textbook to do this homework. Fill up the blank boxes to complete the pattern. You have to fill the third row as same as the first row and the fourth row as same as the second row and so on. Clear? Good. Here we have completed our session number 1. We will learn more about shape patterns in our next session. Thank you.